Weekday mornings on Country 104.
No redneck ever. No redneck.
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Oxford and Brant. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
No redneck ever.